Hi, welcome to Learning Monkey. I am Raghuveer. In this class, we do some practice programs in Python. In our previous classes, we already done so many practice examples. All these examples will help you in having a deeper understanding of the concepts of the Python. If you have this deeper understanding, you can write the code on your own very easily and you can crack the placement exams easily. So coming to today's class, let's take the questions, try to solve it on your own, then check for the solutions, and you can visit our website learningmonkey.in for taking many of the practice tests. So you can take the practice tests at learningmonkey.in. So this is our first question. Take the question, try to solve it on your own, then check for the solution. You have to identify what is the output that it is going to display. Intentionally we are eliminating the options. That is not the good thing during the practice. So we are eliminating the options. You have to identify what is the output it is going to display this program. So take the first question. And coming to the second question, you have to identify what is the output that it is going to display. Okay. Okay, coming to the solution part. So take the first question, what is the solution for this? Here they have given a string. String is equal to hello, how are you, learning monkey dot learning made easy. This is what the string that has given. List is equal to learning comma monkey. They have taken a string, they have given a list. In the list they have given two words, learning comma monkey, and they have taken a dictionary. They have opened a dictionary and they are using a loop for I in list, means they are taking the words one by one in the list. I will take the word learning, I will take the word monkey. So it will execute for 2 times. Whenever it goes inside the loop, occur is equal to 0, list 1 is equal to empty list. They are taking one more list. So list 1 is taken as empty list and occur is equal to 0. So what happens inside the loop? They are taking one more loop, means nested loop, while of true. This is infinite loop. So we have to break that loop inside. Based on the conditions, we have to break the loop. X is equal to string dot find of I comma occur. This is the point you have to understand. What's the find function will do? String find function will identify the word. Whatever the substring you have given, it will identify that word and it will return the index value. I will take learning, so it is going to identify the word learning and the starting index will be returned. That is what string find function is going to do, and it is going to identify the word starting from the index. Whatever the index it has given, occur is starting from 0th index. From here onwards it is going to identify the word. So if it found the word, it will return the index. If it did not find the word, it will return -1. That is what you have to understand. If x not equal to -1, that's why they have written if x not equal to -1 means word has been found. If x is equal to -1 means word is not found. Whenever the word is found, what they are doing here, list 1, they are appending to list 1. Dot append of, what are the values they are going to append? X comma x plus len of I minus 1. X means index value, comma x plus length of the word. Length of I means learning word, minus 1 means they are taking the starting index and ending index. That is what they are going to append to the list. List 1 dot append of starting index and ending index, and what they are doing after that, occur is equal to x plus len of I, means they are changing the occur value. Whenever it goes next time into the loop, they are going to identify, find the word learning from this index. From here onwards they are eliminating this part, means they are going to identify how many times the word learning is present in the given string. And they are going to note the values starting and ending index. That is what they are going to do. And whenever the element is not found, the string is not found, they are going to else part and they are breaking the loop. For the second time, I will take it as monkey. Okay, they are going to identify the index values. So the output will be learning 18 comma 25. This is the position, starting index and ending index. 35 comma 42. This is the starting and ending index. Monkey 27 comma 32. That is what the index values are. at that positions the word is present. So coming to the second part, the second function, second program, string is equal to hello how are you learning monkey dot learning made easy. This is what the string they have given, and they are going to identify string dot replace of dot comma empty string. Wherever you find the dot symbol, replace with empty string. That is what they are going to say, but you have to understand the concepts clearly. String dot replace of, strings are immutable objects. All the methods that are present in the string, immutable objects means we cannot modify the string in place. That is what immutable objects means. If you don't know what's the basics are immutable and immutable objects, please watch our Python playlist and come back here. So immutable objects, so replace cannot modify it in place. So what they are going to do, the modified string will be sent back. Replace method will return the modified string. Here we have not mentioned anything to catch that modified value, so it is not going to replace the string value. The dot will be present as it is. That is the point you have to get into your mind. In the options they will give both the strings, with dot and without dot, but we will place it as without dot. So that is what they are trying to identify from here. So okay, x is equal to string dot split off. We are going to split the words will be split, and x dot pop off. Whenever we split the words, we are eliminating the last word. Pop means it will automatically eliminate the last word. After that they are doing it as z is equal to set of x, means they are eliminating the duplicates also. So they are eliminating the last word, they are eliminating the duplicates, then they are going to join using the dollar symbol. So from the options we have to select with monkey dot value. They will give both the options monkey and monkey dot, but we have to select the monkey dot value. That is what it is going to display. Hope you understand the concept. If you have any questions regarding the concept, please post your questions in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for the latest updates. Thank you.